Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using 9 of these stir sticks and 2 of these crates that I got from Dollar Tree. I start by lining up 3 of the stir sticks and then placing one across those 3 at the bottom and then another one across the top. On the stir sticks, the 3 stir sticks, the ends I add hot glue and then place down that one across them and do the same thing with the top. I don't do the middle one at the same time just because I want to make sure that I get that as even as possible. So once the top and bottom are placed on, then I do that middle third one. And then I take the remaining stir sticks and place them throughout, alternating that little indent on the pieces. Once I have them in place, I lift them up a little and mark with my pencil where to add the glue and then place them back down. I then paint the entire thing with classic French gray acrylic paint, and that's by Folkart. Next, I'm taking the crates and I'm painting those with black chalk paint, and that is by Waverly. And then once everything is painted and dried, I take the crates and line them up. And then once I have the placement down, I lift up the ends and just mark where I'll be needing to add the glue. Just add some hot glue in between those markings and then place the crates down. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.